In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion's conditional formatting. By the end, you'll know how to automatically color code pages in a database so important items stand out at a glance. Start by opening Notion. Head to notion.com in your browser and log in. If your account is connected, you can use Continue with Google to speed things up. You can follow along in the web version or the desktop app. The steps are the same. Next, open the database or project where you want to apply conditional formatting. A task management database works great for this demo, especially if you track priority. The idea is simple. We'll highlight urgent tasks so they're easy to spot without scanning every property. Inside your database, look toward the top for the settings icon. Click it to open the database options. In that menu, find conditional color or a similarly named option. This is where Notion lets you define rules that color your pages based on their properties. If you don't see it, make sure you're working inside a full database, not a simple list, and that you have permission to edit. Create a new rule by selecting New Color Setting. You'll be prompted to choose which property the rule depends on. Pick the property that signals importance in your workflow, such as priority. Notion reads this property to decide when to apply the formatting. Now define the condition. Set it so that when priority is high, the rule will trigger. This means the formatting will only apply to pages where priority is set to high, and everything else will remain unchanged. If your priority is a select field, make sure the label matches exactly. Choose what happens when the condition is met. Select Change Page Background Color, then open the color palette and pick a color that clearly communicates urgency. Red is a popular choice for high priority tasks. Aim for a shade that's noticeable but still readable with your current text color. Apply your settings to save the rule. To test, change a few tasks to high priority. You should see the page background update automatically, confirming the rule is working. If nothing changes, double check that you selected the correct property and condition and that the property type matches how you're using it. With this setup in place, your high priority tasks are visually highlighted, helping you focus on what needs attention first and making your database easier to scan. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.